Hello YouTube, it's the Earlster here. I'd just like to first and foremost thank each one of you guys who reached out to me either by YouTube or by Instagram, congratulating me on my new purchase. So thank you very much for that. And also I'd like to congratulate anyone who's actually purchased themselves a Ducati. I know a couple of you guys has reached out to me saying that they're expecting delivery pretty soon. I think they've got it now by the time I've uploaded this YouTube. I think they've actually got their bike. Please keep in touch on your findings, your experience, how you're getting on, etc, etc. And you know, yeah, it'd be nice to have a little cover, chit chat on, you know, things you discover, things you don't like, etc. So I thought there's a quick opportunity to take a quick little spin, test out my V4 and come back home. So I'm just going to get some Thai food anyway. So this is my £250 option of heated grips, and I could say that it's really nice. The heated grip, that is, it's nice. One thing I've got to tell you guys, that if you do use heated grip and you leave it into the high or low or middle setting, don't forget to turn it off, because when you start the bike up again, you will find that it's actually still on. So Ducati, they don't actually reset it. I thought, for some reason, I thought it would kind of reset, but just watch out for that. But other than that, it's been really good. I wonder if they're open. I hope they are. But anyway, 2 seconds now. I'm just gonna get some food. Bye for now. So I can safely say that if you do ride your bike in street mode, it's so smooth in the traffic jam, as I experienced before. And yeah, the London traffic is not exactly the best, so you're gonna end up using quite a lot of street mode. But in sport mode, filtering, it can be a bit of a nightmare, but it's not. I mean, for a litre bike, it's actually not too bad. There's a little bit of chopping change, but I can bear with it. I don't have to stop and change it to street mode. So, but if you're doing a lot of traffic, filtering, probably best to go on street mode. So this road here is 40 miles an hour, and it's quite hot as well. So you've got to watch it. headphone is very nice. I've cycled down here so many times. It's really nice to cycle down here. Oh, a lot of craters on the road. So every morning I get up and look outside and I think to myself, is it wet up and ride? No. And then I check on the app and notice it's raining and things like that, and I think, oh, when can I ride my bike? So like today was the only opportunity, although it's raining, but it was the only opportunity to ride my bike. such a lovely bike to ride. So if anyone's thinking of buying the EU4 exhaust because it's quieter, think again. It's not quieter. It's probably it's louder than the standard exhaust, but I wouldn't say it's totally louder. It's got a characteristic, as I mentioned in my other video, that it brings out the characteristic of the exhaust. It's definitely a well-deserved upgrade for myself. I have no regrets upgrading to this. I know it's a lot of money, but you know what? You only live once. But just listen to that sound. It's just melody. It's the sort of sound that you can just sit there and just listen all day. Therapy, I think. So I wonder if Ducati is going to bring out the Streetfighter V2. That's going to be interesting if they do. Those tires a bit. I'm going to have to play around with the engine braking on here. That is fun. God, I love that. So I hope you enjoyed that little sound clip of my bike, and apologies if you can hear a little wind noise. Or I should say, how was it for you? Because for me, it was sensation. Absolutely sensation. So I will definitely keep in touch with you guys on the latest development of my bike and gotchas and all that stuff. And once again, I'd definitely like to say congratulations to any of you guys who purchased a Streetfighter, and or you're waiting for it. If you're waiting for it, don't worry, you know, they will deliver. Not like Norton, they will deliver. See you guys later. Bye for now.